Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study science biology, easy method. Begin by mapping major concepts like cells, genetics, and ecology on one page to see connections. Focus on understanding processes such as transcription, respiration, and evolution rather than memorizing isolated facts. Test yourself with quick questions after each topic and explain ideas aloud to a friend or mirror to reinforce knowledge and reveal gaps you can fix. Use varied study techniques to make biology stick, such as spaced repetition for key terms and active recall for processes. Build concept maps linking structure and function across organ systems and cellular components to reveal patterns. Alternate short focus sessions with quick reviews and explain topics aloud as if teaching someone else to expose gaps and solidify understanding. Keep sessions under an hour and include a brief self-quiz at the end. If this video is helping you study, please like and subscribe to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty that keeps you focused and blister-free. I find cozy socks make long study sessions easier and a bit more enjoyable, and you'll find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Stock your toolkit with diagrams, simple drawings, and labeled charts to visualize pathways and structures. Supplement reading with short animations that show processes in motion, which make mechanisms memorable and intuitive. Make flashcards for key terms and run timed mini-quizzes to build retrieval speed. Mix practical examples, like comparing cell respiration versus fermentation, and regularly revisit tough topics until they feel natural and clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.